Hi friends, welcome back to another Wednesday review. Today we're matching the pictures to their beginning sounds. Are you ready? What letter does car start with? A, T, or K? That's right, it is K. The letter C is for car. K, K. How about tiger? K, T, or Excellent! It is T. The letter T is for tiger. T, T. What about arrow? N, I, S, or A? Excellent! It is A. A is for arrow. A, A, A. What about the number 9? S, P, N, I. Excellent! N is for 9. What about sun? S, T, I, P. It is S. Well done. S is for sun. S. And pen. What do we have? I, P, N, or T? It is P. Excellent. P is for pen. P, P, P. And igloo. S, A, I, K. It is I. I is for igloo.